on our J support page, we come in here, and this page has a lot of really good, useful information. So when we pull this page up, the first thing it's going to show us is it's going to tell us what size screw and barrel is on the machine, what the standard specs are for this particular machine. So if somebody comes to us and says, hey, go put mold number 1047 in press number 38, and you come over and bring up this spec and see, hey, that mold isn't going to match up, then you know that's not going to work in that machine. So it's got a lot of good information, but it's also great for troubleshooting. And you can come up here, you can come in and you can do your inspection here, you can come in and check everything out. Gives you the board status. See, everything's green, green good, red bad. All of the servo motors, the servo status. Gives you all your I/O checks, your calibrations, anything that needs to be calibrated. And then you've got your servo motor control. So it gives you a lot of great information in that page.